All right, so I can show you how you can take a tweet from Twitter and you can turn it into a post. So I'm going to take this tweet from here, from Twitter about One Piece. And let's go to ChatGPT over here and let's just paste this stuff here. And I want to tell it, please write a post about this One Piece chapter. There you go. So let's leave it at that. All right, I'm unable to write recap of One Piece chapter that has not yet been released. All right, my data goes up until 2021 and I do not have access to new chapters. All right, please write a post about the latest released One Piece chapter. Okay. Sorry, but I'm unable to write about the latest rule because I'm a language model trained to OpenAI. I do not have access to up-to-date information. Right, my training data goes only up until 2021. I'm able only to browse the internet or access new information. Please tell me who won between the fight in Impel Down. Is it Luffy or Magellan? So this is just crazy questions. It's not clearly the winner. The battle between the two took place in the anime manga series One Piece, and the outcome of the fight was not definitely shown or mentioned in the story. If you have any questions about One Piece, I'll do my best to help. Okay, so you can see that it's very smart, but I wanted to write. Okay, so I'm going to go back and tell it, please write ten posts about One Piece that I want to post on my website based on tweets from Twitter. Okay, sorry, but I'm not able as a language model. So you can see that sometimes it has some limitations here. So instead of saying write 10 posts, I'm going to say write one post. And let's see what it's going to react. Write one post. Even that, I'm sorry. Now, because I said based on tweets, I'm going to remove based on tweets. And I'm just going to say on my website. All right, so now an overview of the main plot, characters of One Piece, a review of the latest One Piece episodes, a list of the 10 most powerful One Piece characters, a breakdown of the 10 different devil fruits and their abilities. This is just crazy, man. So it just wrote me some ideas now. Now I want to say to it, please write a blog about each idea. Sure, here's an expanded blog based on the ideas I previously provided. Okay, so right now it is writing an entire blog, 10 blogs that you can take and post on your blog, right? And you can do this. You can go to Twitter, take some Twitter headings, and come back to ChatGPT, tweak it a little bit, put it there, and it will talk about it. So it's just crazy. It's just crazy what this ChatGPT thing can do. And I'm hoping that you actually are kind of liking this tool up until now, because I do. And I'm actually going to be honest with you, this is the last part of the course. I was glad to explain and to help you with this ChatGPT tool. Hopefully it can help you with your pursuits, and see you in the next lectures of mine. Thank you very much.